Number 22, again, we've got a polynomial function and we're trying to figure out which graph matches our function. Okay, so first we want to figure out the end behavior. That's our best bet to eliminate some of these possibilities. On this one, it's already factored out, so that makes finding the x-intercepts easier, but it makes finding the end behavior a little bit trickier, because to get our end behavior, we got to look at the leading coefficient. So remember, if you've got one factored out like this, you don't have to multiply it completely out to figure out the leading term. All you have to do is you take the largest degree term for each one of the factors, or the factors with x's. So here we've got negative x times x times x. Okay, and if we multiply those out, that'll give us negative x cubed. So this is our leading term. Okay, so this has an odd degree and a negative leading coefficient, so like the last one, this one's going to go up to the left, down to the right. Okay, so just from that we can eliminate choice number 1, choice number 2. They have the wrong end behavior. The last two, the end behavior matches, so what we need to do is we need to figure out where our x-intercepts are supposed to be. Since this one's already factored out for us, that's a little bit easier. Okay, we take each one of our factors and set it equal to 0. So we had negative x, we'll set that equal to 0. X minus 5, set that equal to 0. And x plus 3, set that equal to 0. And figure out our x-intercepts. So here our x-intercepts are 0, 5, and negative 3. So if we look at our two choices, this one has an x-intercept at negative 3, at 0, and at 5. So as long as the other one doesn't have that, then we're good to go. So let's look at where our x-intercepts are on the other one. Okay, so it does not have an x-intercept at 5, so that one's not the graph. Okay, so the one we want is graph number 3.